Welcome to Job Ticketing, your in-house print room order submission and management system. For operators, it provides a visual workflow that helps track a job all the way from submission to delivery. For customers, it provides a readily accessible and simple-to-use web-based order submission tool built into the user web interface. Since it is fully integrated with PaperCut, customers can charge their print jobs directly to either a personal or shared account. Let's take a closer look at job ticketing for operators and customers. First, we'll look at the customer interface. The customer interface is accessed from the PaperCut MF user interface. You can see the Print Rooms and Fab Labs tab displayed in the menu. Click the tab to open the customer interface. The customer interface is used to order print room or 3D fabrication products. If your organisation has multiple print rooms or 3D fabrication labs, customers can select a specific room from the drop-down list at the top of the page. At the top left, your print room contact information is displayed. You'll customise these details as part of your configuration. Also, at the top of the page are the announcements that have been made by the print room, for example, about business hours or products on special. These are entered by an operator at any point in time. The main section of this page displays the products that are offered by the print room. If you click on a product, a description of the product is displayed. Customers can then click Start Order to order that product. The new order form contains a number of options that a customer can select when placing an order. All the fields except the delivery options can be customized for each product. The delivery options are set globally for all products. You will configure your own custom products as part of the job ticketing setup. Below the product catalogue is a list of the customer's previous and current orders. Customers can return to the PaperCut MF user interface from the drop-down menu. Now, we'll take a look at the operator interface. When you log into the operator interface, the workflow view is displayed. The workflow provides a visual representation of the print room orders that are in each status. The statuses in the workflow can be customized to suit your organization during setup. Job ticketing has another view called Order List View. This view lists all of the past and current orders with the most recently updated orders at the top of the list. At the top of both the workflow and the order list are some filters that allow you to refine the number of orders displayed. You can search for an order containing specific text or filter the orders by product. The order list also allows you to filter by date and status. The top of the page has a banner with a few buttons, allowing an operator to create orders and post announcements. If your operator has access to more than one room, they can also switch between each room. To switch to another room, click the drop-down list, then select the room. This list also has an option to go to the Manage Rooms page. The Manage Rooms page displays a list of all published and sandboxed rooms. Sandboxed rooms are rooms that you have not made publicly available. You can use this page to check the status of each room, create a new room, publish a room, and change the room settings. Click a room to display the operator interface again. To create an order, click New Order, then complete the required fields. To make an announcement that is displayed in the customer interface, click the Announcements icon and enter the text you want displayed. You can have 2 announcements at a time. You can also access the Help Center from here by clicking on this button. Settings for job ticketing are accessed from the icon in the bottom left of the page. The Settings function allows you to validate your system and product configuration files. This is really handy when you're setting up job ticketing. One more handy feature when you are setting up job ticketing is the ability to easily switch between the operator interface and the customer interface. This allows you to see job ticketing the way customers will, which is great when you're testing new products or configurations. Before you customize job ticketing, take some time to familiarize yourself with both the customer and the operator interfaces. This will help you work out what you want to change for your own implementation. When you're familiar with the job ticketing interfaces, you can customize the system for your organization. You can customize the room details, the flow statuses, the print room delivery options, and the products you want to configure. When you're finished with the configuration, you're ready to go live. For more information, visit the Help Center from the operator interface. You'll find lots of useful information as well as short videos showing you what to do.